How to take a slow motion or slow-mo video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to swipe across and select more. Then tap on slow motion. Now in here, before we start to take the slow-mo video, tap on the quick controls button. In here, you can set up your slow-mo video. So in here, we can choose the file size. So you can record in Ultra HD or Full HD. If you select Full HD, you can change the FPS to 120 or 240. So 240 frame per second or 120. And that ultimately changes the slow-mo speed, so 1/4 speed or 1/8 of a speed slow motion. Alright, so I can select 240 and then we go to the top here. Now at the top here, you can also quickly access your settings for size and FPS. And down here, you can then choose zoom in or zoom out for your slow-mo video. Now at the top here, you can see HDR is disabled. So in order for you to select HDR, you need to select UHD so that you can turn on or turn off HDR. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on the shutter button here to start recording. And here we'll try to focus on that bucket there, and I'll throw this bottle in like this. Maybe this one here as well. Okay, now we can tap on the stop button and tap on the video preview to have a look at the video. Here is a slow-mo video. Now you can make the adjustment to your slow-mo video. So here, tap on the edit button. Let's just quickly go through the video first. So here is a slow-mo video. Okay, zoom right in. Okay, you can also tap on the edit button. In here, you can choose where the slow-mo will be. So you can change the slow-mo rate. So we got 1/4. So I'm just going to go back here. Go back into edit mode. And here you can change it to 1/8 or 1/16. You can also choose the part where you want the slow-mo to play, and the rest will be playing at normal speed. So here I can change it here, or maybe just where the bottle come down. Maybe just there. Move it back a little bit. And there. Okay, so maybe just around there. And there's also other effects that you can also apply to your video. And after that, just tap on the save button, then save. You can save as a new copy or save over the original copy. And now it is saving the video. Okay, so we're going to play the video. And here's the part where it's going to slow down. You can see how this part of the video here, it play at normal speed. And then just when you get to this part, the video will slow down. And that's it. So that's how you can capture a slow-mo video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.